Class 10th, exercise 6.3, chapter 6. Question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD at F so that ABE triangle CFB similar. Here we saw that ABE triangle ABE similar triangle CFB. Here we given a parallelogram. We make a parallelogram. Make a parallelogram. Naming is A, D, C and B. Here E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram. AD side is produced यानी कि AD लाइन को हमने आगे तक बढ़ाया, एज ए प्रोड्यूस्ड कराया. AD produced a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD. BE intersect. So here BE intersect CD at a point F so that triangle ABE similar triangle CFB. So given here, given E is a point on side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD at a point F. So to prove triangle ABE similar triangle CFB, here solution. In a triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Here parallelogram ABE and CFB. These are two triangles. Here AD, we know that AD parallel to BC. So AD parallel to BC, E line is produced E line produced of a parallelogram ABCD, of a ABCD. So here AB parallel to BC, AD parallel to BC. Here AEB triangle, AEB is AEB is parallel to angle equal to FBC. F, B and C angle, alternate interior angle, alternate interior angle equal, and opposite here BAE here alternate interior angle, and also we see here BAD in a parallelogram ADCB, parallelogram BAD angle equal to angle BCF angle. Here opposite angle of a parallelogram opposite angle of parallelogram equal so by this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle equal to this angle. So opposite angle of parallelogram equal. So by the property by angle similar condition, triangle ABE is similar to CFB. Again repeat this question, we easily understand. Here E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersects CD at F. Here we make a parallelogram ABCD, and E line is produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD line at F points. So we prove ABE similar CFB. So we given here E is a produced A point on side AD produced of parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersects CD at a point F. To prove ABE similar to CFB. So we see here in a parallelogram, here AD parallel to BC, E line produced of a parallelogram ABCD. So AEB and FBC alternate interior angle, so equal. And again in a parallelogram ADCB BAD angle is equal to BAD angle equal to BCF. So opposite angle of parallelogram equal. So by angle similarities conditions, we say ABE similar CFB. ABE similar CFB. So hence proved. Question number 9. In a figure given ABC and AMP are two right triangle. ABC and AMP are two right angle at B and M respectively. Prove that a triangle ABC similar to AMP. Give AMP. Here write given here triangle ABC and triangle AMP, ABC and AMP right angle triangle. Right angle at a B and M respectively. To proofs triangle ABC similar AMP. तो solve here ABC और AMP triangle ABC and triangle AMP, here angle ABC and angle AMP, both angles, each angle is 90, each angle 90 degree, and here CAB angle equal to MAP, both have common angle. A angle equal to A angle, common angle. Common angle by the angle properties by the angle properties we have triangle ABC similar triangle AMP, and again second part is proof CA upon PA and BC upon MP. So angle 90 here, CA upon PA and BC upon MP. So in a triangle ABC and triangle AMP, triangle ABC and AMP, right angle is 90, so B angle is right angle, B and M angle, so front of B is front CA, B angle front CA upon M angle front PA, and A angle front CB BC A angle front BC and A angle front MP. As a conditions, similarities of triangle ABC similar triangle AMP. So we say CA upon PA equal to BC upon MP. Hence proof. Easily proved. Repeating, in the figure given ABC and AMP are two-point right angle triangle at B and M respectively. Prove triangle ABC and triangle AMP similar and CA upon PA and BC upon MP. Here given है triangle ABC and AMP right angle triangle at B and M respectively. To prove ABC similar to AMP, here triangle solution, a triangle ABC and triangle AMP, each angle ABC or AMP, each angle is 90, and CAB and MAP both have common angle. A angle is both common. Here A is a common angle, and by the and ABC and AMP each angle is 90. So we by the angle properties we have ABC similar to triangle AMP. Then ABC and AMP right angle B and M angle right angle B and M angle. So CA angle 90, opposite side AC, angle M opposite side AM PA, and angle A opposite side BC or angle A opposite side MP. So we easily prove. Question number 10. Question number 10, we read here CD and GH. Here, question number 10, CD and GH respectively, the bisect of ACB and EGF, such that D and H lies side AB and FE, triangle ABC. We make here figure triangle A, B and C and triangle FEG. Another triangle FEG. Here CD and GH are bisect ACB bisect. So this is CD and GH. Here CD and GH are respectively bisect ACB and EGF such that at D and H lie side AB and FE of a triangle ABC and EFG respectively. Triangle ABC similar triangle FEG, so that then here angle solution A angle is equal to F angle and B angle equal to angle E angle. So here DCB A angle equal to F angle or B angle equal to E angle. Here C angle is that here is one number, here is two angle bisect ACD angle equal to DCB angle. As a reason angle bisect here CD and GH are bisector of angle ACB and angle EGF bisector. So ACD angle equal to DCB angle as the same FGH angle equal to HGE angle. Here by the angle equal properties, angle equal properties, angle equal properties. So triangle ABC similar triangle FEG. ABC similar triangle FEG. Here to prove so that CD upon GH, AC upon FC. First is proof is here CD upon GH, CD upon GH triangle or AC upon FG. So we take triangle DCA and HGF triangle. So A opposite angle CD, A opposite angle CD upon F opposite A angle opposite side CD and F angle opposite side. Here A angle opposite side DC, yes CD, F opposite side GH. And here angle D opposite side AC, D angle opposite side AC and H opposite side FG. Region और triangle ABC सिमिलर है ट्रायंगल FEG के। So also write here triangle ADC सिमिलर है ट्रायंगल FHG से, So BCD upon GH and AC upon FG easily proved. Second matter is that triangle DCB equal to HGE. Here second we make figure again, so easily understand. Here naming is A, B, C, here D, here F, E and G, here H. Second triangle DCB and triangle HGE. DCB and HGE, here DBC angle equal to HEG angle, here corresponding angles equal, corresponding angle equal, and we say B angle equal to E angle, and angle our here is a 1, here is a 2, here is a 3 and here is a 4. So we say and C and G is a bisector, so angle DCB angle equal to HGE angle. Here CD and GH, the bisect of angle ACB and EGF. यहाँ पर हमारा एंगल C को CD बाइसेक्ट करता है, तो A1 and 2 इज इक्वल एंगल, और ऐसे ही H और G बाइसेक्ट करता है, तो 3 and 4 एंगल इज इक्वल. सो एंगल 2 इक्वल टू एंगल 2 equal to angle 4 angle. So by the property angle similarities is our angle triangle DCB similar triangle HGE. Hence proofs. And third question is that we prove triangle DCA similar and triangle HGF. Here DCA, here angle A DAC angle equal to HFG. DAC or HFG, here angle A equal to angle F, corresponding equal angle hence angle ACD angle equal to F ACD angle FGH. Both angle 1 equal to angle 3. Here region is CD and GH, the bisector of ACB angle and EGF angle. So 1 and 3 equal by the property here by the property angle similarities or angle similarities triangle. Here triangle ADC and FHG similar triangle. Hence, easily proved. It. Question number 11. In a figure given, E is a point on side CB. CB produced of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle AB equal to AC. So his angle is equal. If the AD bisect BC and EF bisect AC at 90, so prove ABD equal to ECF. So solution here given. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is isosceles with isosceles triangle with side AB equal to AC. Here AD bisector on BC and EF bisector AC. To proves AD triangle ABD similar triangle ECF. So look here, angle ABD triangle ABD, yeah, ADB, A solution, triangle ADB and triangle ECF. Angle ADB and angle EFC, each angle is 90 degree, and angle here, angle B equal to angle C. Reason B angle C angle here is isosceles triangle ABC. So our side AB equal to side AC. Here B and C angle is equal. So triangle ABD B angle and C is equal, and triangle ABD or triangle here EFC, C angle is common. Both triangle ABD and triangle EFC एंगल C जो है हमारा ट्रायंगल जो है FEC और ट्रायंगल ADB एंगल C एंगल के बराबर होगा, क्योंकि इसमें आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल है। इक्वल एंगल होने के कारण हमारा C एंगल B के इक्वल है, इसीलिए C एंगल बोथ कॉमन होगा ट्रायंगल ABD में और FEC में। सो here by the property angle similarities, so our ABC ABD similar triangle to ECF similar. Here question number 12. AB and BC is median of AD and triangle ABC respectively. Proportional side PQ and QR, median of PQR. Make triangle side AB BC, median AD triangle ABC, ABC AD triangle ABC and PQR PQ respectively PQ, QR, median PM. So that ABC is triangle PQR के similarities पूरे करेंगे तो गिवन है, गिवन triangle ABC side triangle here triangle ABC AD median AD of a triangle ABC and PM median of PM is median of QR. PM is a median of a triangle PQR. So we say here AD on BC and PM on QR thus given है, and to proofs triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. So here the ratio proportional sides AB side upon to PQ and BC side upon में QR and AC upon में PR. Ratio proportional proportionality theorem. Ratio proportionality theorem. Here AB upon PQ is BC is our bisector, so 2BD and 2QM. So 2 cancel, so BD equal to QM. 2 is 2 cancel, so BD is equal to QM. So we say triangle ABC upon PQ, BD upon AB upon PQ, BD upon QM and AC upon PR. Ratio proportional by the properties sides, similarities, triangle ABC. Here B angle equal to Q angle and angle ADB or angle PMQ each 90. Also angle properties is our triangle ABC सिमिलर है ट्रायंगल PQR ट्रायंगल से, हैंस प्रूफ। हमने आसानी से ट्रायंगल ABC ट्रायंगल PQR के प्रूफ किया, ट्रायंगल PQR के पैरेलल है। मैथ्स के एक्सरसाइज 6.2 आसान एक्सरसाइज है, बस इसको एक बार रिपीट करने की ज़रूरत है। आप इसको क्वेश्चन को पढ़ने के बाद इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो। आप सभी को बहुत आसान एक्सरसाइज होगी।